guys, this week I'm out in Coffs Harbour here with my good friend Michael.
Miguel.
Almost tripped over that rock. We're up the top of Red Rock right now and this place is absolutely incredible. Check out these views. Oh, actually that's good. Yeah, just stand there for a sec.
The fact that I'm standing here.
No, yeah, we still got this. We'll do the same thing. I just want a coffee cup in it.
Cup up down.
Yeah, this would be sick. This would like transition into the montage, right? Oh, one-handed, look at that. And
some unnecessary poses.
Yeah, we'll just do a sick pose to get us into it. Just wandering, looking down, sipping.
We found this couple sipping.
Just take a sip, no one will know. And just looking out towards the ocean now. Yeah, turn around and look towards the ocean. That's it, and here comes the transition.
Called Red Rock, aka God's Country.
Got a tour guide right here. I didn't realise it. I thought you were a real estate agent, bro.
I'm pretty sure at this stage I just want to go surfing, but however this guy
surfing. I mentioned surfing.
Can't swim. Oh, that's my alarm. That means I've got an open home coming up. Nice to catch up, bro.
Alright, good to see you. What's my role here? Am I throwing in some bids and stuff at the...
it's not an auction, but you just turn up and attendance is always good.
Do you have free sandwiches? We're running a little bit late for Mick's open home. He's stressing, he's pacing. I've never seen him run so fast in my life. Here he comes. Wearing Boltos as usual. Oh no, he's not. We'll take that off though. It's awkward. Quick mugshot, quick. I know we're in a rush, but... Alright, sweet.
Yeah, sweet, let's bounce. Just go straight here. Straight is in right. No, so one way. Are you stressing me out, man? Honestly, it doesn't matter. You can't just overtake whenever you want.
I could.
Okay, we're gonna turn right here. You've got 10 minutes. Don't exit the highway. Sorry. So if you're 100, you can do 110. Technically, not get caught.
Can I just say, we don't condone this. I am going 108 in a 110 zone right now. So we're not following his advice right now.
But bro, we're running late. That's a lie. You're doing 115. I started with one folder and no one took me seriously. So I got another one and then no one took me seriously. So then I got an orange folder. Yeah, killing it.
Michael's got his open house here. I'm coming over to the neighbour's house to ask him a couple of questions and make sure he's not annoying anyone.
I could put my Harley jacket on with all the patches and that on it.
We're going to pause that for a sec. She's going to get her sunnies and Harley jacket. It's getting serious. Here we go. Look at that jacket. Oh, look out.
Well, I'm a biker. I've got patches, Harley Owners Group, the Hogs, Hoggies.
Oh. The Wild Hogs?
No, Wild Hogs come after the original Hogs. Do you want to see what's in my house?
Let's go see what's in your house.
I want to see what's in my house. Come and see what's in my house. Be frightened of me. I'm just a sweet little grey-haired great-granny that just happens to ride a Harley. Never. Never. Yeah, like I said, I'm only a chicken. I'm only 68 going on 17.
Yeah. Bye, Patty.
Bye.
What an amazing person. That was really fun. Bye, Patty.
Bye.
How'd your first open home go there, mate?
It was a raging success. 6 offers.
Yeah.
2 folders.
Oh look, you could just drive up the price another 100k or something, yeah? Alright, so Mick's had quite a few people rock up to this open home, so I thought I'd jump in there as well, make it look like I'm a really interested buyer, so he just make sure he gets some offers in there. So how'd that go? Did I help you out?
No, you nearly blew it.
What are you talking about? I was acting like that.
Oh yeah, give us a business card, act like I'm buying it. And then you walk out the front and then wait for me to get in your car and drive me away.
You weren't supposed to get in the car. I was busy here.
I'm the real estate agent that walks to his open home, so I just walked down the road. You sit in your brand new Mercedes out the front of my open home, pretending to make a phone call.
You try to help a mate out and this is how you repay me.
Just good old 101. What do you reckon? Slippery real estate agent tactic. Just get all your friends to come be open.
It wasn't your tactics, mate. That was my tactics. I'm making a couple of little videos at the moment, and Miguel here, he's got me doing a bit of roleplay going on here. He's bloody typing me out a script and everything.
To help you out, these are the lines.
These are my lines.
And the gaps you see below the lines is where I'll do my talking. Or do you need me to write this?
Pause for response.
Pause for response.
Write that. Pause for response.
Really?
Can't believe I've actually got a script for this thing. This is not what I signed up for.
How do you feel?
Well, you've made me nervous now. Here's my lines. And what? I'm going to leave this room and give you an actual phone call.
Yeah.
All right.
Do you want me to write that down too? Hello, Mick speaking.
Yeah, hey mate, George here.
You said your name was Josh.
Yeah.
Yeah, Josh. Thanks, mate. Mate.
No, I said my name was George, I'll call you back.
Hello, Mick speaking.
Yeah, I got knock from you. You say you run in my house?
Yeah, hello, Mick speaking.
Yeah, hey mate, it's Johnson here.
Johnson. Mate, very sorry about that. You're on McLaren Street, is that correct?
Nah mate, I'm down on a Johnson.
For fuck's sake, pull your head in. Hello, Mick speaking.
Yeah, hey mate,
Hello, Mick speaking.
my name's Jeff.
My name is Jeff. Hey. Hey, Jeff.
Didn't even read the script.
No, bullshit.
How'd we do, mate? Did I nail it?
Look, 1 to 10, 9.85.
There you go, guys. You heard it yourself. If anyone needs any acting done, you know who to hit up. But on that note, I'm going to wrap this thing up here. If you want to see the end product of the clip we just did, I'll put it in the description below, so check that out. And while you're doing that, make sure to like, subscribe, and all that jazz. And I will see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.